How to make Threads account public. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Threads application and it will lead you directly to your homepage, right? Now basically your feed area. The next thing that you want to do is on the bottom part, you'll see five different options there. Tap on the profile icon there and it will lead you here to your profile page where you can see your threads, your replies, basically your account or your profile. Now on the upper left, you will see there a podlock, right? A lock, meaning that means that your account is set on private. Now to make your account public, on the upper right, you'll see two dash lines there, basically the settings icon, and tap on that. And here you'll see a lot of options. Now, the next thing that you want to do is to tap on privacy here, and then you will see the very first option, private profile. Just toggle that off, and here you will switch to public your profile, tap on OK, and basically you have now successfully made your thread account public. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.